Hi, I'm Sayan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a volcano. Let's start. For making a volcano, we need cardboard, marker, scissors, making powder, food color, tape, clay, vinegar, soap, stapler, paint, and 3 bottles. And we need a cup. We need a cup. First we have to mark it like this. Now we need to cut it like this. Fold it and staple it like this. Now keep the baking powder and the bottle. Now cover it completely with clay. I'm covering this volcano with a brown, dark green, and black. Make the volcano around, we need vinegar, soap, and food color. I'm going to use glasses for safety purposes. Now the lava is going to erupt. It looks so cool. So guys, hope you like my video.